Hi! Today, let's completely disassemble these popular JBL Tune 500 BT Bluetooth headphones to then create a tech art piece in a wall frame. This is a beautiful piece of disassembled Bluetooth headphones art. It is made up of individual parts of unpopular JBL headphones put on display. In the next video, I'll show you how to make it all in a creative way to display headphones parts in a frame. If you have any questions already, feel free to post them below this video. But for now, let's have some background music and let's disassemble these headphones.
On me.